Hi everyone, Jose Vega here, your federal court certified interpreter. In the last video, I was telling you about the different certification levels that we have in the state of Florida. And we also have the federal court certification. There are two different certifications. Now, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about why, and I mentioned it in the last video, why it is important to try, if you can, if your budget allows you to try to go through an agency instead of going directly to an interpreter. What happens is that in the certification list, in the certified list, there's a lot of the interpreters are no longer active. They may be retired, they may be staff interpreters, and some of the interpreters, even though you're certified, even amongst the interpreters, you have interpreters that are better at interpreting than others. So just because you have the certification, even though it's a pretty difficult exam, it's a decent difficulty level exam. It doesn't mean that you are prepared with all the vocabulary that you need for the different types of cases. So maybe there's some interpreters that are more focused on finance and accounting terms. They're very good at that. Some are very good at specifically legal. Some may be great for EUOs, but you would not use them for a trial. So that's where an agency comes in, and we can determine which ones are the best for the type of job, and also based on our experience. We know the interpreters there and how they work, and also the location. Another good reason why you would want to go through an agency is the availability. Okay, so after you go through the entire list and you find an interpreter that's available, you may get a phone call or an email the day before. Let's say you have a depot tomorrow at 9 a.m. You may get an email at 6 p.m. the day before saying, "Oh, I have an emergency. My cat died. Something happened. My car broke down, and I can't make it to the deposition tomorrow at 9 a.m. And now what are you going to do?" And this is very common. It may happen that you're there waiting for the interpreter to show up, and where is the interpreter? So the agencies usually try to fix this problem. We confirm with the interpreters the day before, we confirm the day of, and so there's tracking going on, and many times we replace interpreters for emergencies, and you never find out. We're just working that in the background. But well, I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. We're always giving tips for law firms and paralegals regarding hiring of interpreters and translations and anything that has to do with language professionals and the legal industry.